One person stands in the middle and another walks around. It will be a beautiful circles.
When we are doing this, it was very hard to understand what this art will be like. So it was great to see the picture from above. It was nice, perfect.
Because people are so enthusiastic to continue, so I think there will be new snow drawings in the near weeks.